Good morning. I've just started my video from this place here, and I was talking to my neighbor. So the reason why I just started this video from this place here is because the place is cool and so beautiful, full of greens, and you can see a lot of nets around. But above all that, I came to do something so good. So what I really came to do here is I came to correct grass. I'll come with my friend who is helping me to cut the grass because I want to build a house, man. I want to build a house, a traditional house. You know, when you are a grown up and you have grown big in the village or in my African culture, I have to go out of my father's compound and build my house. So I came to cut grass, build a small hut for myself. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. From here, I'm going to cut trees because I want to make poles. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end because I'll be updating you every day the progress of my beautiful African hut. Thank you, and may God bless you guys as you continue watching live with MAKORI, all the way from Kisi village, beautiful place. And these are dams. Let me tell you, sometimes there are people who doesn't understand why this net is put here. This net here, it is covering this dam. This a net, it is a double net. There's the inside one and this outer one. So the use of this net is that it prevents predators from eating fish, be it snakes, be it the eagles. They will not go inside there to eat the fish. So that's why they put that net there. But some of these dams, others, they don't have the nets. So it is expensive, so they had to put in one dam, the dam that has many fish. So it is put there to protect fish from predators. So guys, this is a beautiful place. Guys, I really love this place, and I wish I had money. I could have bought land just along this place here, because for me, I love where there is a lot of water, where I can have fish pond in my my compound. If I love to eat fish, I just go there and catch some fish from the fish pond. So guys, stay tuned. Let's go home, man. Let's go, because I want to go and cut some trees. And guys, stay tuned, right? Just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Kindly don't skip the ads. And if you are new here, my name is MAKORI. My YouTube channel name is Live with MAKORI. This is my life. Village boy, man. Just support the village boy. Man on a mission to step every country in the world. But my hopes and my wishes depends on you. By supporting, by watching, by liking, by commenting down there, a word of encouragement, that's really amazing. You see, this place has a lot of water, but since yesterday, the rain has not rained. So, yeah, we have to do this, man. We have to do it. This is so amazing. Yeah, this is our main highway. Our main highway. This is it. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, so I'm going up now. cut some trees because I want to make some timbers. So this is what I'm gonna do today. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. We are here, and this is how we're gonna do this. Hey guys, you know the wind is really very strong, but I'm trying to control this tree so that it can fall towards this way, because if it falls this way it will destroy my neighbor's crops. So I wanted to control it toward this way, but the wind is very strong and it is blowing towards this side. So I'm even confused, and already I've just cut, but I've cut in a way that it can go the other side, because a tree has a way on how you cut it where you want to fall to. So I've just used the technique, but the wind is very strong. I don't know if the tree will go to the side that I need. So guys, it is a tricky situation here, but stay tuned. Let's see the result. Oh my, oh my goodness, it has gone to a wrong direction. It has gone to a very wrong direction. I knew, because the wind was very strong. Oh my goodness, they have destroyed crops here, but thank God it did not destroy so much. But let me just take it off. Guys, I can say that I have worked tirelessly. Can I use such kind of terms? I've worked tirelessly, and I've managed to clear from here. I've cut this one. I've removed all the branches from here to the other side, because it has destroyed the maize here. I know the owner will be very furious or annoyed, but there's nothing you can do. You know, the damage once has been done. Oh my goodness, you can't do anything. So I'm continuing, guys. I want to cut this one, I take them to the other side, and then I go continue doing that way. Guys, this is the job from the village, and this is the village boy. Continue supporting by watching and subscribing. Yeah, thank you. Yeah guys, so yeah, as I was saying, I just want to cut this one. I managed to do all this, so let me just finish here, take to the other side. I cut that one. I start taking them home, where I will be bisecting them, bisecting, and this is avocado. Yeah. So guys, want you to stay tuned and kindly watch this video to the end. So guys, I've done. Move this one. So I have to go up. Because I also need to cut. This one. Wow. So I need to cut this one here, and the other part. Guys, I've moved them from up there. I brought down them here. So I just want to start now carrying from there, transporting them home where they will be working. So guys, the job is still on. Stay tuned, man. This is how, man, you have to work in the village so that you can start your home, man. Yeah, this is it. So guys, let's go.
This is it, man. As a man, you have to struggle.
It rained, man. So I'm fetching water that I will use to burn. It's really raining, guys. So yeah, this is the life in the village, the tropical region, where you get rain throughout the year. So we are used to this, and that's why you see green all over. Yeah, guys, I was supposed to go and check the grass, but after this, I must go and check it. So guys, it is almost 6, and the rain has really rained until I did not finish what I was supposed to do. So what most of the job I will do it tomorrow. So today I did find the grasses, and also I cut down the tree. I brought them home, and so tomorrow I will be making timbers, and also I will make sure I brought the grasses because I need to build this house as soon as possible. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video to this end, and I want to say, guys, kindly continue supporting Live with Makori by subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell so that you get notified any video that I upload. I want you guys to step by step, you be with me as I go through the building of the traditional house in the village. So guys, stay tuned, and may God bless you guys. I want to say thank you so much for the support you are giving the village boy. You are really changing my life, guys, by watching my videos, and also even the financial support. Thank you. May God bless you. So guys, it is very late. I even have just used the night mode. It is night mode. Yeah, night mode from my camera here. So I want to say thank you. May God bless you. Guys, let me just end this video from this place. See you on the next video. Bye bye for today. God bless you guys. You can see. Wow.